Puspusan ang pagsisikap ng Administrasyong Aquino sa pagbuo ng trabaho sa mga Pilipino. Ito ang binigyang diin ng Malacanang kasunod ng ulat ng International Labour Organization na sa kabila ng paglago ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas ay hindi naman nagbabago ang unemployment rate sa bansa. Ayon kay PCOO Secretary Sunny Coloma, nakabilang sa mga ginagawa ng gobyerno ang pagtutugma ng kakayahan ng mga magtatrabaho sa mga kailangang skills ng industriya. Dagdag pa ng kalihim, target ng Philippine Development Plan na magkaroon ng hindi bababa sa 1 milyong trabaho kada taon. Target din ng gobyerno na bigyan ng trabaho ang lahat ng bagong graduates sa bansa.
The government places a very high priority on employment creation. This is one of the salient aspects of our economic program that seeks to attain inclusive growth. The Department of Labor has rolled out many programs in order to maximize employment creation, but challenges remain. There are structural adjustments to be made, such as, for example, the need to match available skills in the market with requirements of industry. Last week, we discussed in this forum the shortage in 15 occupational categories where there are very few or hardly any qualified applicants. That is one of the challenges that the Department of Labor and Employment is addressing. We remain cognizant of the fact that unless there is sufficient job creation, we will find it more difficult to attain the economic targets. That's why government remains determined to pursue all possible avenues for maximizing job creation.